Zircon requires no nanotech. Why can Mr. Zircon not shoot little foxworms?
Oil containment generator disabled.
Thanks, Lombax! Yeah, you're all right.
Stupid fuckboy. Why can Mr. Zircon not kill you?
The winch crank is rusted. We need to find something to loosen it with.
Mr. Zircon cannot wait to kill you. Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
Omni Soaker! Genius!
Why can Mr. Zircon not shoot little foxworms?
We're free! Let's go! I can't wait to see my wife! Yeah, me too!
Stupid fuckboy. Why can Mr. Zircon not kill you?
Thanks for all your help, stranger. Well, now that our friends are free, we can shut down the outpost and restore the village. See you later, stranger. Come back anytime.
Are we done with the killing? Mr. Zircon does not come in peace. You, boy, your hordes are stupid. Why can Mr. Zircon not shoot little fuckboys? Stupid fuckboy. Why can Mr. Zircon not kill you? Mr. Zircon is going to kill you.
Dr. Nefarious is wonderful.
Hey, you found oil! Dr. Nefarious will be so happy. Do me a favor and loosen up that winch crank, will ya?
a favor. If you see Dr. Nefarious in sight, tell him I helped you out, will ya? Praise Nefarious!
Welcome back, Chief.
The Dynamo of Doom! Now this is a weapon for serious adventurers. Outnumbered by enemies? No problem. Even the score by deploying this remote-controlled orb. Once activated, you can steer it around the battlefield and wipe out the whole lot of them. The Dynamo of Doom. Available only at...
Snoop around, Chief. You got a right... Zircon, now shoot, little farboys. Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
His own memory.
Time is a gift and not to be tampered with.
This is your last chance, Orbis. How do I get into the chamber?
You are making a mistake. The clock is not a time machine. There is only one who will enter my chamber, and he is safe. Far from you.
Where is he? Where did he go? I don't know, sir. I'm pulling up a residual image from his database. We scanned it before he dissipated.
Clank?
You! Annihilate him, you fools! And then I said, not so smart now, are you? You get it? Because he's a moron!
Oh, Dr. Nefarious, you have such a wonderful sense of humor, and you're so...
Why can Mr. Zircon not shoot little fuckboys? Stupid fungoid! Why can't Mr. Zircon not kill you? Greetings, young Lombax. I think I may have come across something that belongs to you.
General!
It is a dark day when one is tasked with destroying half the galaxy's Lombax population. I assure you I act only out of contractual obligation.
Ratchet, don't listen to him! Find the clock!
Only one Lombax need perish tonight. If you would be willing to take his place, I'd happily postpone the execution. I've uploaded coordinates to your ship. Tick-tock. Better hurry.
Another fine tune. We'll be back after we pay a few bills.
But Captain, your life.
Pete, don't ever run for president.
Ahoy, landlubbers! This is your old friend Rusty Pete, and I'm here.
They'll be mopping them off the battlefield when you use this puppy on them.
Buzz blades are perfect for taking out hordes of enemies. Just hold down the trigger to fire the blades, and watch as they ricochet off everything they come into contact with. Before you know it, you'll be the last Lombax standing. Buzz blades, available only at GrumbleNet.